So today we have a super easy install for you guys. Even easier than the spoiler install.
Yeah.
We have the carbon fiber here. You want to take that out of the package?
Yeah.
We have the carbon fiber cover for the emblem and for the V. So this is a overlay. So it is not actual carbon. We're not going to actually like replace the whole thing. So that's like a $500 mod.
Yeah,
and this costs us all of $60. So
super cool.
We're going to try to put this on the rear real quick.
So like that? Well, it doesn't fit.
We thought this was going to be an easy install.
And it turned into not an easy install.
Yeah. It's too big for this, so we're trying to shave off some of this to see if we can get it to fit. These two pieces together are like $60. I think this is like $20. This is like $40. So it's not worth it to send it all the way back to China. We literally waited almost like 2 or 3 months for this to get here. Literally. You know, I'm thinking of getting a saw.
You have one?
I have a Dremel. I have a fucking Dremel. I bought a Dremel.
Scared me.
I bought a Dremel. It's a Dremel.
Dremel.
This is like what you're just doing, but like 10 times faster. Basically, we messed up. This tape came off, so it's not going to be held well by this type of tape. So we're going to have to find either glue or something that's going to hold it a little bit better. This one we're doing it the other night, but it was just taking too long to get done. So I pretty much just stopped it where we're at, and I said we're going to pick it back up today. So essentially, it's in, but it still needs a little bit more of a push to get in there. Part of it. So we're gonna file this down some more. You can see it, our horrible cutting job. We're probably gonna get it resanded and cleared, but we're gonna trim it down more and get it to fit perfect, and that'll be it. I finished this side, completed it. So essentially we had to cut a lot from the top all to the side and so forth. It looks like a catastrophe, but we'll definitely clean it up. This is a modded motor, so this is both of our channel. So Crystal is now gonna do the other side. And if she breaks it, well then she lesson learned. Like all the way in. We're just gonna try sanding. Can you get the little silver part? We're just like a hairline out of getting it to fit 100% flush. Alrighty, and Crystal is doing her side now. It's obviously gonna take a lot longer for her because she doesn't know anything of what she's doing. So I guess we'll be here for the rest of the night.
I'm doing a great job.
We're almost done and we're just finishing up her side now. And so we are going to show you how we kind of apply it. And this is a reapply tape. And let's try this one more time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this ain't going nowhere, partner.
Yeah.
So what we realized is the $40, $50 ones, I mean, there's even, I think, some for $35 that you're gonna find on like eBay or wherever. They're probably gonna have the same type of fitment where you're gonna have to cut a significant amount. If you want to do it yourself, I would say try it. It worked out great for us. It took us 2 days worth of effort, but it ended up working out great. If you want to save yourself time and the hassle, I'd probably go with a little bit more of an expensive one, somewhere around the $110, $130 range. I would strongly recommend not going OEM. OEM is about $800, $900. I think the cheapest I've ever seen an OEM one go for is $500, which is obviously a direct replacement. For this being $40, definitely worth. The whole setup was $60, so definitely love it. There's some touch up that I can do to it, but you know, for what it is right now, I think we did a really good job. What do you think?
I think you did good.
Yeah.